About this item includes 1 coaxial cable with F-pin connectors and US manufacturer's warranty for quality assurance, tested and approved for the use with cable modems, televisions, satellite receivers, off-air antennas, including HD antennas, compatible with DirecTV, satellite dish, Comcast, Charter, Verizon FiOS, AT&T Uverse, FTA, OTA, satellite internet providers, such as HughesNet, WildBlue, Exceed, cell phone wireless extenders, and many other services and providers. Low loss cable for exceptional signal and picture quality, even over long runs. Works great indoors and outdoors, with a highly durable weatherproof and UV resistant PVC outer jacket. High quality consistent 75 ohms throughout the whole cable. High quality connectors will not pull off, break, lose signal, come loose, and are waterproof using a redundant double seal at each end of the connector. High frequency range with an 18 AWG center conductor to cover almost all services and providers that range from at least 2.3 MHz to 3.0 GHz, with exceptional shielding, using 60% braid and 100% shield. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item includes 1 coax